If you're facing issues with a cracked engine oil filter bypass valve, this Dorman OE FIX provides the perfect solution without the need to replace the entire filter housing. Designed to directly replace the original bypass valve, this part allows you to perform a simple, inexpensive repair that can save you time and money. It's a cost-effective fix, especially when compared to the cost of replacing the whole housing due to a cracked valve. This Dorman bypass valve is engineered with quality in mind and comes backed by decades of automotive aftermarket experience. Manufactured in the United States, it ensures a perfect fit for your vehicle, giving you peace of mind that it will work just like the original part. Installing this replacement valve is straightforward and simple, making it an easy addition during your routine oil filter service. Bypass valves play an essential role in ensuring that oil can still circulate through the engine if the filter becomes clogged. Without a properly functioning bypass valve, oil may not flow properly, potentially damaging engine components. Replacing a cracked bypass valve with this Dorman part restores functionality, allowing the engine to bypass the filter when needed. A satisfied customer shared, "Worked perfectly. Replaced the original which crumbled like it was made of eggshell." They also noted that the bypass valve ensures oil can still circulate through the engine even if the filter is too clogged to function properly, allowing the car to keep running until the filter can be replaced. For a reliable, affordable repair, this Dorman bypass valve is the right choice for many vehicles. To ensure compatibility with your specific vehicle, be sure to use the garage tool to input your make, model, and trim level. Click the link in the description to purchase this high-quality replacement part and check out more product recommendations by subscribing to our channel.